Today is my second official day here in Barcelona, and it's now 9:20 a.m. and I'm walking to the subway to proceed to the meeting place of the free walking tour, which is around a 20-minute subway ride. See you. Just finished my free walking tour and also touring the Elborn CCM, and now I am walking towards a Chinese restaurant that I found in Google, which is around 1 kilometer from here. Hopefully it's good. While walking towards the Chinese restaurant, I've passed by the Arc de Triomphe, the Barcelona version. This is actually planned for, I think, day 3 tomorrow. Since I'm here, I'll look around. And as you can see, there's currently a marathon ongoing. So it's a bit closed in the middle part of the Arc de Triomphe. The difference I see between this and the French one is you can't go inside here. Unlike the one in France where you can go inside and go upstairs, take a nice view of France. This one is just, I think, a monument. Restaurant. It looks promising from the reviews and also how it looks. And what can I say? Feels like I'm in China again. So the food is just fine. What's nice about it is it's just only €9. Pretty cheap for Barcelona standards. So I'm now headed to one more tourist spot, or around 4, and it's just gonna be a 2-kilometer walk from here. I'm gonna show you a 360 view. Stop. Next up is the Columbus Monument, and here's gonna be a 800-meter walk, and I am passing by Las Ramblas again. So good luck to me. Monument is actually 60 meters tall, And you can also go inside and take an elevator ride up in case you want to see a 360 view of Barcelona. Now here at the best spot in Barcelona, which is the bubble tea shop. Just never stops. Right behind me is the back of the Barcelona Cathedral. And I don't actually intend to go here. I think this is planned for tomorrow. Now I'm on my way to my second to the last stop, which is the Picasso Museum. I got a free ticket online since it's Sunday, and you can book it online. It's good. Marks the end of my day 2 here in Barcelona. I was actually planning to go to the dancing fountain, but it's a bit tiring already, so instead I'll not go there, and I'm now on my way home.